video is going to be about media retention procedures. So media can only be created in compliance with SOP 2-17, which is our social media and photography policy. And what it says is basically that any media that's created with a CKF&R issued device during an emergency response must be included as part of the incident report and file. So the following section explains how to upload that media to the R drive and how to transfer the media to a thumb drive so it can be sent to the PIO for uploading to the R drive. Step 1 is you got to create a folder on the thumb drive for transferring the media into. You want to include the following information in order in the folder name. You want to start with the year, then the month and the date, then it goes to the event number, then what the incident type is, address of the incident, and HIPAA if it contains any HIPAA information. Down on the bottom here is an example. So this format is going to be the naming convention for all of the media that's created at CK. So it'd be a good idea to write this down and post it near the computer just for a quick reference for you. This is just going to be a bit of an example of what it's going to look like when you actually plug in your thumb drive and what process it'll be. Essentially, you want it to be the same format as the name of the file. So it's a little bit different between a training evolution and an actual call. There's quite a bit more information that you're going to want to put into the actual call file name. So now we're going to access the media on the device and transfer the folder. These are all the different devices and what we might be using. Here we're going to show you where the micro SD card might be. Make sure you select Trust This Computer if you're using any i products, like your iPhone. So you're going to want to make sure that you use cut and paste instead of copy and paste. That way the media will actually be removed from the device and over to the thumb drive. And this is just a way for you to be able to select multiple images at once. You can hold down Shift or Control. So this is where you're going to want to actually hit Cut instead of Copy. That way, once you paste it over here into your thumb drive, the images will actually be removed from your device. So obviously GoPro, it's not going to work that way. You've actually got to go into the GoPro and delete them individually. So now we'll go over how to delete media from the GoPro camera. So this is power up. Got your display here up in the left hand corner. Click on that. Move into settings. Down arrow one time and it'll bring you to a new menu where you can see where it says delete. Go to the all formats, hit yes, and it deletes everything on there. Internet connection is pretty bad at most stations, so give yourself some time if you're going to upload it directly. We'll select the start button, and in the search field at the bottom, enter downloads. And the downloads folder will show up, and you want to click the downloads folder to open it. Again, you'll need to create a new folder for your media in the downloads folder. Same naming convention as you were shown previously. So hits the start menu. It's going to type in downloads here. You can see downloads comes up. Click on that. Create your folder. And the way to create your folder is to right click and select new folder. Use the proper format to name your folder. This is for easy access for everyone that's trying to access it. So now that you actually have an individual folder created, you can transfer the media straight from your device into that folder. Connect the camera or phone or card reader, whatever you have, to the computer and open the media folder, which is a DCIM folder. If it's an iPhone, again, make sure that you click to trust the computer. Select the images or video that you want to move over. Go into Downloads, find the file folder that you've created, hit paste. There you go. Again, make sure you use cut and paste. Now you want to drag the folder over into the R drive. So again, this may take some time because you are trying to upload the images or video directly over our connection, which could be slow, and depending on the size, it could take quite a while. So there you go. That's all the steps that you'll need to comply to the SOP for media at CKF&R.